Tired of struggling with manual screwdrivers? This electric screwdrivers delivers powerful torque with precise control, perfect for everything from electronics to furniture assembly. Let's check some of those specifications. Reversible, LED, 2000 milliamperes, 5.0 Nm, 300 RPM, and Type-C. With adjustable torque settings, you get in the right strength for every job. No over tightening, no damage. Here is the user manual. The rechargeable battery charges fast and lasts long, so you can keep working without interruptions. Built-in LED lighting helps you see clearly, even in tight or low tight spaces. And the ergonomic design gives you comfort and control, as you can see, even during long projects. Complete with a full bit set and carrying case, it's ready for any tasks. Let's see. You have everything you need. USB-A to USB-C charging cable. Power, precision, and convenience, all in one tool. Let's go ahead and test it out. Okay, I have a scooter over here, and I'm gonna go ahead and choose this bit for this area. You can loosen it or tighten it. Let's see. Great job. How about the bottom part? Okay, you need to realize that the torque is the minimum. You can increase it however you like. Now I'm gonna try to take them out. Let's see. Let's choose this bit. This is hard to take it out and put it back. But with this, everything is easy. How about here? Maybe here. That's also easy. How about this place? Right there. As you can see, that's very tight. I'm just gonna try. You need to hold it well, otherwise it's gonna turn right or left. How about now? Wow. Guys, I'm not even using maximum torque. Let me use maximum and see. Tighten. If I wanna use this, what am I gonna do? It has already this connector. Go ahead and connect. Now we're good to go. Let's try to use it over here. Here is a tighter place, and you can see everything with the help of LED lights. Okay. Now we're good to go. I can definitely suggest this product because you have 3 levels of torque and you can tighten it or loosen it. And we have LED lights. If you're not able to see it, with the help of this, you're gonna see it. And also we have the bits. As you can see, we have different types of bits. You can use it for all of your projects. And we have a nice case. Definitely suggest it.